20 years ago, I met a freshman girl from college and started dating her. From her shy smile to her quiet scoff, I was listening and remembering every sound she made. After that, I became a person who records and expresses every sound in this universe, while getting more and more sensitive about the loud outside. I get duller about my lady sounds that I should hear more and more. Hearing all the sounds in the world perhaps is an excuse not to listen to my wife. We've been married for 12 years now. I feel sorry because I've never had to make a proposal to her. I want to take this opportunity to tell her, my wife, mother of 3 sons, that I really love you.